Hello, this is Bob from Sargent. I'm here today to tell you about our heavy-duty folding shovel, which is also known as an entrenching tool or E-tool in the U.S. military. This compact, lightweight, and portable folding shovel comes with a rugged nylon carrying case and is the perfect size for the campground, garden, job site, or survival kit. With its rugged construction, it's ready for heavy-duty use. Made of tempered forged steel with a black powder coat finish, it comes with a positive locking collar to also keep you safe and protected. Designed to be multifunctional, it comes with a comfortable ergonomic handle and can be used as a shovel, pickaxe, saw, or hoe, and is small enough to work in compact spaces where a regular sized shovel just won't fit. Use the serrated edge to saw through roots, grass, plants, and heavy undergrowth, or to cut into hard dirt and ice, and then easily fold it up and place it in its storage case that comes with gear and belt loops for convenient carry. So, whether you're an outdoorsman, gardener, contractor, or service member, you can be confident that the Sargent shovel is ready for action and built to last. That's our commitment to you. Thanks for watching.